on the water on the Brazos River, and we're fishing here for sand bass. Never gone sand bass fishing, so I'm fishing with a curly tail grub, pretty much as always, just like that, but I don't know. Like I said, I hear once you get into them, it's one after another bite. But first I've got to get into them. Got one. Got one! Little black bass! Okay. First fish of the day already. I mean, gosh, that was fast. Okay. Black bass. Awesome. Here he goes. And he's off. He's off. And that will be a rockfish. Everybody, I figured out a fish that I've caught the most in my whole entire life. Rockfish. But there's one that isn't a rockfish. That is largemouth. Fish number 2! Yes! I got this fish inside my bones, right there. Oh gosh. He was popping. Just looking for some bait. Okay, so I'm reeling in and I feel something. And on my hook is that. That thing right there. It is huge. It's had to come from a gar. Something. Oh, nope, found it. I know exactly what it's from. Carp. I just saw one jump right here. Why did it jump though? That's my question. And they must be thick right here, like really thick, because I fell hooked, or I had one. Okay, so I didn't catch any more fish, and what I'm trying to do now is get some lures out of a tree that somebody lost. Okay, I'm gonna get these lures, hopefully. Well, Dad, I did end up catching 2 keepers. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my video. And I didn't get a chance to show you what I caught, what the keepers were. So here I'll show you right now. Get So here's what I caught. I caught this thing, and the blade spins pretty well. Or here, look. That blade spins well. And then I caught, it's already in my tackle box. I caught this swim bait. It's a really good swim bait. But it's funny how I guess both of the people who lost these like chartreuse. This has chartreuse in it. This has chartreuse right there. So, it's a good bait. I did catch 3 fish. No, I caught 2. I did catch 2, so this adds up to 4 if I do my math right. So, thanks for watching, guys. And remember,